Vanakkam. Now we are going to solve problem 3.2a from Digital Design by Moris Mano's 5th edition. The question is to simplify the Boolean functions using 3 variable maps. And in 3.2 we have taken the first problem, that is A problem, and it is given as f of x comma y comma z, that is equal to the summation of the minterms 0 comma 1 comma 5 comma 7, and this function has 3 variables, hence we draw a 3 variable k map. And the variables are x, y and z. Row wise it represents the literals x dash and x, and column wise y dash z dash for the first column, y dash z for the second column, y z for the third column, and y z dash for the fourth column. So in the first row, first column, that is the first cell, that represents the minterms x dash, y dash, z dash. The next cell represents the minterm x dash, y dash, z, and the third cell, this represents x dash, y, z, and this one represents x dash, y, z, and this cell represents x, y dash, z dash, and this one represents x, y dash, z, and this one represents x, y, z, and this represents x, y, z dash. Now instead of the minterms, we are writing the decimal equivalents for each and every cell, like 0, 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 7, 6. Now it's time to register or mark ones into the cells corresponding to the minterms given in the problem. For 0th minterm, place a 1 in the 0th cell. For first minterm, place a 1 in the first cell. For minterm number 5, place a 1 in the 5th cell. Then for minterm number 7, place a 1 in the 7th cell. In total, we have 4 number of ones entered in the K-map which are given in the problem. The next step is to combine the ones in the cells which are adjacent. So the ones in the 0th and the first cell are combined to form loop 1. The ones in the 5th and the 7th cell are combined to form loop 2. So now we are going to write the expression corresponds to loop 1 and loop 2. For loop 1, row wise it covers x dash. So we write it as x dash. Column wise it covers y dash z dash. So it is also marked here. Also covers y dash z. So that is also marked here. Then when you see this z dash and z are complement of each other, so they can be cancelled out, and this y dash repeats twice and it's redundant, so that one y can be removed. The final expression for loop 1 is x dash y dash. For loop 2, row wise it covers x, column wise the 5th cell covers y dash z, and the 7th cell covers y z. So we got this expression. In this y dash and this y are complement of each other, so we can remove that literals, and this z is redundant, so one z can be removed. So now we get the expression for loop 2 as xz. Now we can write the simplified function, that is f simplified, that is equal to x dash y dash from this first loop plus xz from this second loop. Okay, so this is our required answer. Thank you. Hope you have understood.